Hi! This is how a person in quarantine sounds like. Hey everyone! For those who don't know me, my name is Clara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm actually in my Central American travels, and yeah, Corona decided that this is a nice place to visit too. So Honduras is currently in a lockdown, which means I cannot leave the country. But you know what? I'm a lucky girl because I'm doing a workaway in a place called Sin Rumbo. It's mountain cabañas, like here in the mountains of Honduras. We are 3 people, the owner, me and another girl. Today we decided to spend the night here. Let's see how a day in quarantine looks like in Honduras. Cheers, cheers. So this dude is Raul.
Yeah, I'm Raul.
Raul is the owner of this place, the brains and hands behind this place.
Maylee, just your average world traveler.
She has just started a 5-year around the world travel.
Yeah.
You know what this baby is? It's coffee plant. Because here on this land, Raul grows coffee. So when you drink coffee at his place, it's his own coffee. And bananas and plátanos and dogs. This here is a big cabana. This one is in the building. I'm gonna make Slovenian style potatoes now because I think it's psychologically proven that food that tastes like home makes you feel better and calmer. This is where I will attempt to do my cooking. My brother says I cannot even start a fire. I'll show you, Jan. Why are you so crazy? I got some dry banana leaves. I got some wood. How to survive the apocalypse with Clara. Okay, this is not working.
Okay, wait. This is actually not a real fire.
This is a real fire.
It's just a...
Wait, now this will start to burn. Wait.
Okay, let's see that.
Have you ever made a fire?
Yeah.
Gasoline?
No! Okay, Jan, you were right. I cannot start a fire. I mean, maybe I could if my life would depend on it, but right now I have no patience. So this young, handsome Honduran guy will help me.
Alright. Because it's so windy here.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Except Raul. Raul has time for that. I'm gonna wash the potatoes now. I washed the potatoes, Raul actually made a fire. Step number 1 of Slovenian potatoes. You boil them. Potatoes are cooking. Now we need to chop some onion.
There you go.
This is just gorgeousness. It's sizzling! Onion is sizzling, finally. Next step is that we peel the boiled potatoes.
So the one is over already.
Oh yeah, I already finished the one.
Okay, this onion, we can call it extra caramelized because I don't like to use the term burnt. But I guess that's the charm of open fire. And we're gonna add our potatoes. I also added some water. Originally we put soup stock. I don't have soup stock.
If I die, I want to die of alcohol poisoning.
I'm crying because I'm so happy. I'm crying also because smoke got in my eyes. We finished our 4-hour project. Potatoes are done. I think they taste pretty good. Like not like my grandma's make it, you know, but still pretty good. I hope you will try this Slovenian potatoes at home. So on my plate I have Slovenian style potatoes. Que rico. We have curtido, slightly fermented, pickled vegetables that are, yeah, it's a common thing to eat in Central America. And frijoles. Is there a meal without frijoles? There is no meal without frijoles. So.
Let's do this!
Como la flor!
Como la flor! Yeah.
We actually spent the whole night awake and we wanted to see a beautiful sunrise. I mean, it's gorgeous. I like the way the fog moves. It's so like, I like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it as fun to watch as it was fun to make. I know these are difficult times. Please write below, how do you feel? How do you cope with it? And of course, if you have any questions, ask me. What do you do now that you have to stay home and all of that? I'm sure we can come out stronger out of this. I sound like Barack Obama. Thank you, guys. And if you want more videos, interesting videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. Bye! Come on,